Here's the drone. The propeller is removed. It's removed because there's a problem with the size of that hole on the propeller. I use these 6-bladed propellers because they are pretty silent, but the size is too small. So that's a new one. It was not modified. And take a look at this. It's not entering there. So you cannot put it down easily. You have to push it down either with force or rotate it, and then it will go down. And when it reaches that area where there is no thread, there's the big problem. You can barely move it there. Okay, so to enlarge it, I already enlarged this, for example, so it enters much easier. Okay, you have to use, let's say, a drill bit like this one with a conical tip, and it is of 5 millimeters. 5 is visible up there, HSS. Okay, and simply insert it there and make a little bit larger hole. Of course you can use a drill. Insert it there, tighten it. So this one is entering very hard. See how hard I can remove it. Okay, let's twist it. And now it's a better operated drill. Now it's much better. It's not moving to the left or right. So these are silent. They are much more fragile compared to the 3-bladed ones. Since you have twice as much blades, objects in case of a crash can rip off these blades much easier. Plus, I think it's not that thick around here in the center and breaks much easier, but it's silent. So just enlarge the center shaft hole with a 5 millimeter drill bit, and it should be much better.